Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Monday. So let's see what's really happening. So for those who wants to join the team, there is the service packages. Then you can just WhatsApp me or Telegram me. For those who feel like they want to get signals, and if you want to learn, obviously, $150 and $250 that will also include the mentorship. Also, those who are going to join lifetime mentorship, you're going to get a NASDAQ robot that is going to help you to trade. So yeah, without wasting your time, guys, I hope you did watch my weekly analysis that I did yesterday. If maybe you did, you're gonna see what's really happening on the market. But before you continue with the analysis, let's go straight to the break. Traders Central sponsors this video or stream. Traders Central provides funding for traders and recently introduced a pop-up shop on their platform that allows you to purchase packs like to skip stage 1 or 2 on your challenge, 50% commission reduction, a deeper drawdown percentage. Sign up now using the link in the description to get up to 30% off on your first plan and enjoy the pop-up shop. Okay, yeah, here it's Bitcoin. I think maybe this will be fine if I place it here. So we are on Bitcoin. This is 4 hours time frame. So, and remember, guys, I'm just going to make this analysis very quick, as during the day or later on we're going to have our live session. So what's really happening on Bitcoin? You can easily see that yes, the market is still respecting this downtrend aggressively. You can see that the market is still respecting that. Just imagine if you did follow this trend until today. It means 90% of the time you were just going to make money by just following the trend, even if maybe you don't know where you were just going to sell or you're going to buy, you see. So if we go closer there, we're going to check actually what is really happening currently. I think here you can see that the market respected the resistance, and also on the bottom here we had a support. It's a resistance and support. Actually the market was actually wedging. Now the market seems like it's breaking that area, especially when we are on this downtrend. And for those who are going to just maybe, let's say for those who trade, I think they can have maybe a nice trade down there. Why? Because the market is still continuing. The market is still continuing, or on that sell. I think the market can still push lower and lower. We don't know where the market will stop, but it seems like maybe a few days to come, or maybe after interest rates, maybe the market will try to bounce back. Don't forget that actually on Wednesday, this Wednesday, by the way, there is interest rate, US interest rates, and that is going to push the market, especially the market that we trade in, NASDAQ, US30s, or actually everything, you know that. So we are on German 40, German 30, German 40, or DAX. The market is actually doing what? The market is actually, the overall move is, the market is actually downtrending. But down here, we also have a support area. So which makes this structure actually a wedge. The market is actually moving like that. Do you see that? On the bottom side is the support, on the top side it's a resistance, and it's a diagonal resistance, which shows us that, you know what, the market is creating this triangle shaped. So which means the market can do what? The market can just do something like this until we see a breakout on top, or maybe on the bottom we can say, okay, yeah, we now ready to do what? To take another position aggressively. Yes, currently we can do what? We can just keep selling when the market is coming very close to our resistance. But after the breakout, that is going to be a different story. And I hope maybe you will be here to eat with us when that maybe happens. So let's go straight to gold. What's really happening on gold? I said I'll be very quick, guys, because we still have weekly analysis, which is very, very fresh. Check the previous video that I did yesterday. Still very fresh. Everything still makes sense. But I just thought, okay, let me just give you something. Maybe the market did some changes. Few candlesticks, obviously, happened and changed the structure, especially what compared to what we did yesterday. But it's much better to see what was happening actually. So what's really happening here is Gold is actually doing what? Is still downtrending. Most of the market, they're still downtrending, especially those markets which they go with the dollar, because dollar is very strong, guys. So it means everything is doing what? It's suffering. Everything which is going with the dollar, it's actually pushing lower and lower. And we see that actually on gold. We see that yes, the market is trying to do what? The market is still trying to push lower and lower. So where can we sell this thing? Actually, for us to say we're gonna sell, we can say, okay, let's have something like this. If the market bounces back, maybe here or maybe here, I think the market will come there and we can continue selling. Or we can say, you see, around this level, we can have another position around this area, because that is a support area. And if the market moves below that area, it means the market will be breaking that lower low, so which means we will continue with that sell. Or maybe the market will just give us a bounce back, and once it start to come back, we can do what? We can say that is time for us to do what? To sell. But for now, we just need to wait for that to happen, you see. So let's push to the next one. US oil. US oil, US oil, US oil. So what's really happening here is we are on US oil, still downtrending. You can see the market is still downtrending. If we draw a line below that area, you will see. So yesterday, if you checked my weekly analysis, let me go closer, you will see what I'm talking about. You still remember the structure. The market was going up and the market broke out there. And guess what? Yes, we did it around this area. But the market actually created a structure. Around this area, you can see, around this area, you can see that it's a support. Around here, we can say, yes, it's a resistance. So what was going on was, I was expecting maybe the market to do something like this to consolidate before pushing lower. But earlier today, we found out that the market actually already broke out of this support area. And guess what? I did send the signal. Obviously, they are eating in the group. They are eating in the group. If you are not in the group and you're waiting maybe for free signals later on, yeah, just know that those free signals, they are not enough, guys. Those free signals, they are not enough. You see, they are not enough. So let me take a call. So yeah, actually, sorry about the call. So what's really happening here is the market early today, the market just broke out of this support, and now we had a very nice entry here. And let's hope that the market will reach these areas around 81,000. And you know, US oil is actually seriously volatile. This area it might be very, very close, but as long as we can make something from that, that's much better. Remember, I'm on a 4 hours time frame. If we go on a smaller time frame, this candlestick is gonna be way too big, unlike the way whatever that you see here. So we can mark this area and say we're expecting the market to reach that, but it doesn't really have to confuse us, you see. So we have something there. We have something there. We have something there. We're expecting the market to do what? The market to push lower. So let's push. US30. What's really happening on US30? Let me remove this. That it's meant for actually VIP. So what's really happening is yes, the market was trying to push the upside. Guess what? Now the market broke out of that. Later on Friday. Friday. Oh, okay. On Friday, the market did give us a very nice retest, right? Then after that, now we see the market bouncing back. So I think this area, it's a support area, but it seems like the market is getting out around that area very quick. So which means I need to give them the signal very quick. But you know what? I'll have to finish this very now. So I'm expecting the market to do what? Keep pushing lower as the market is breaking the support area. So what we can do now is, let me just push to the next one, which is NASDAQ. Also, I see the same thing. Actually, I also see the same thing. The market is breaking out of that area. It means this, I should just cut this daily analysis, because I see the market is trying to do what, to push lower again. So I can just give the VIP members these signals, and then we can eat, you see. Let's see what's really happening. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Let's meet during the day. Bye.